Βρισκόμαστε σήμερα εδώ σε μια σημαντική εκδήλωση που μαθαίνουμε ότι η καλύτερη ζωή είναι επιλογή.
Better Life Day is an opportunity to give something to the people in the community that surround us. It is an opportunity to bring solutions. It is an opportunity to bring motivation. It is an opportunity to bring inspiration.
I think it's a wonderful concept just because it helps people, plain, ordinary people, to learn how practically they can have a better day in their life.
Is it like a pussycat? And I know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. And I distort the city streets, growling to the bass and beats.
I was delighted. I mean, to see this idea of giving people practical solutions, practical things that they can apply tomorrow to make their life better.
No, I'm not your only one. Maybe it's for the best that I'll lay this thing to rest, 'cause I'll never be your only one. Never be.
The Better Day Life concept was needed. People have been really struggling in this community, in this country, and clinging to hope. And not just clinging to hope, to be able to step into a possibility. And that's what the whole day was about, stepping into a possibility, having some breakthroughs, getting some information that can help you go to the next step, whatever your next step was. It was fantastic.
Είναι μια μη κερδοσκοπική εταιρεία. Ξεκινήσαμε και προσπαθήσαμε να το τρέξουμε όλο με χορηγίες. Είναι φοβερά συγκινητικό το γεγονός ότι έχουμε 56 χορηγούς, οι οποίοι το υποστήριξαν, και πάνω από 90 εθελοντές. Σήμερα περάσαμε 12 ώρες μέσα σε ένα θέατρο και οι άνθρωποι δεν έφυγαν μέχρι τις 9 η ώρα το βράδυ. Ήταν εδώ και για μένα αυτό είναι μια τεράστια επιτυχία.